Are you getting your phone date as inaccurate error on WhatsApp and looking for fixes? If yes, then this video guide will help you to troubleshoot the issue on WhatsApp and you can access the app with correct date. So let's begin. But before going to the fixes, don't forget to like, subscribe and click the bell icon to get the latest notifications. Method 1. Restart your phone. A simple yet effective solution suggested to fix the inaccurate data error on WhatsApp is restarting the device. Just press and hold power button unless you get several options. From here, choose Restart and then wait. Method 2. Make sure date and time are correct on phone. Follow the steps. First, open phone settings, click on General Management option. Now, select date and time to access it. After that, enable automatic date and time to correct date and time. Method 3. Delete WhatsApp cache. Follow the steps. First, open settings on your phone. Now, go to apps and click on the app management option. Next, move down and tap on WhatsApp. Here, click on storage usage and then tap the clear cache option. Method 4. Check and update WhatsApp. Follow the steps. First, open Google Play Store on your phone. Now, search for WhatsApp and see if there is any update available. Finally, click on Update option. Once updated, relaunch WhatsApp and check the issue. Method 5. Avoid downloading WhatsApp from prohibited sources. If you are downloading the WhatsApp on your phone from any third-party sources, then stop it now. Apart from Google Play Store, you should never download any app from other sources. Method 6. Update your phone OS. Follow the steps. First, open Settings on phone, tap on About device. Now, you can see the OS version running, click on it. It will check and tell you if there is any update. Finally, tap on Download and Install option. Method 7. Check WhatsApp servers. If there is a server downtime, then you can encounter WhatsApp date as inaccurate issue. The best way to find the current status is by visiting websites like Down Detector or Is It Down Right Now. Method 8. Reinstall WhatsApp. Follow the steps. First, open the home screen and long press the WhatsApp icon. Now, choose the uninstall option and confirm it. Next, open the Google Play Store and search for WhatsApp. Here, tap on the install option. Method 9. Factory reset your phone. Factory reset can help to fix the issue. Follow the steps. First, go to Settings on your phone. Now, click on Backup and Reset, then Factory Data Reset option. Here, click on Reset option, then on Erase Everything. Method 10. Take help from WhatsApp support. Follow the steps. First, launch WhatsApp, click on three dots icon from the top left. Now, select Settings and click on Help option. Under Help, click on Contact Us option. Fill the form and send it. Method 11. Use professional repair tool. You can also go for professional tool like Android Repair to fix the issue. This is the perfect solution to troubleshoot any kind of errors like WhatsApp crashing on Android phone with one click.